Hey everybody. I would like to show you today in this video on how to um, record when you have a screen recording system, or for that matter anything that you want to record. How you can reroute the output of any application to whatever other application is recording. So my problem that I had is that I had the microphone plugged in to my Mac, and the output of Mainstage to the output of the Mac. But the problem, I could not record in my screen recording software, which is here Debut. I could not record the output of the Mainstage. So I could either have the microphone or the output of Mainstage, but I could not record Mainstage into my recording software. So what I had to do is to go through an external mixer, play the Mainstage through the mixer, and connect the microphone to the mixer, and the mixing between Mainstage coming out of the Mac and the microphone connected to the mixer, this combined mixed output I returned back to my Mac, and so I could record as well as my microphone. I could also record my Mainstage because the mixing was done outside. Actually, it was done in my mixer. Okay, so how could I solve this problem? I went to the internet and I looked for a rerouting application which would allow basically to reroute any output of any application to any input of any other application. And it happens that there's a nice application doing that, which is called Jack Pilot. You can basically Google for that, and I will show you now how this works. So basically I have Mainstage here, and if I take a keyboard and then play, okay, my output here is recorded in my screen recording software Debut, and this is done by selecting actually my output here on the preferences to be routed to Jack router. Okay, and obviously I did the same. I cannot show it now, but I did the same in Debut. So I've chosen as input device not the built-in microphone, but Jack. Okay, and the nice thing is now that with Jack I can go here and basically say the sending ports, so the output of here a system, well, which is actually the capture. So I could reroute, for example, to Mainstage and to Debut, my recording software. And in addition to that, because that is obviously the standard, but what I can do in addition to that is that I can then reroute Mainstage's output also to Debut. So you see, when I look to Mainstage and Debut, I see that Debut has the system playback and it has the Debut. Mainstage has the connection to system. So Mainstage is sending out to the system, and it's sending out also, as you can see, Mainstage out 1 and out 2 is also rerouted to the input of Debut. Okay, why I have more than one input? This is an advanced feature, because I can reroute then single channels of my Mainstage to single channels of my recording software. So that's how I can solve the problem of having an output of Mainstage being rerouted and re-recorded actually in my Debut screen recording software. In that particular setup here, Mainstage, is not appearing because I didn't choose the input of Mainstage as being jack. So if I go here and I go to Mainstage preferences, okay, you see that the audio input is not routed, but I could also route it to jack. So I could then, for example, reroute my microphone directly to Mainstage, for example, or the output of my video directly to Mainstage and to record the audio of that or to Cubase or whatever. So very nice tool, which allows to reroute anything to anything else, any input to any output. Okay guys, I think that's it. I hope it was useful for you, and see you later. Bye.